Hi, how are you doing, my students? I hope you are great today. So now we are going to practice some important words in English. So a and some, many, any, a lot of, much. These words have the meaning of quantity. They talk about quantity. Right? What do you mean by quantity? Ça veut dire la quantité en français. So before to start the explanation of this quantity in English, I think we have to revise countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So we have here some singular nouns and their plural forms. So car, cars, a boy, boys, a house, houses, an egg, eggs, an apple, apples. So these words are countable. Why they are countable nouns? Because they have a plural form. So what do you mean by a plural form? Which means it takes S, the words that we can count. Look, and they have a singular form. In the singular form, we can write a. What do you mean by a? It means just one. A car, it means one car. Cars, it is the plural. Okay? So here, look at these two words. We have egg and apple. At the beginning of this noun, we have a and here a. So this starts by vowels. Whenever you have a noun starts by a vowel, so the article should be an egg, an apple. We cannot say an car. It's very impossible. So here, uncountable nouns. What do you mean by uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are nouns that don't have plural form. They don't have s. We cannot write here waters, milks, breeds, airs, fishes. No, it's impossible. Their singular form is without article a. We cannot write here a water, a milk, a breed, an air, a fish. No, it's impossible. Okay? And they take singular verbs. Okay, let's practice a, an, any, and some here. So, Jack bought a car. I ate a sandwich. She has an apple. What do you notice here? So we have here some nouns like car, sandwich, and apple. They are singular nouns. Okay? So we use a or an with singular nouns. Here, number 4, I met some friends yesterday. He gave me some water to drink. So, what do you mean by some? Some, we use it in order to express what? To express plural form, right? We use it to express plural form with countable nouns, and we use it with uncountable nouns, right? Here we have some friends. Some friends may be one friend, two friends, not two, one, 3, 4, or 5, or 6. You know, the number of friends is limited. Here, some water to drink. We use some with uncountable nouns. So, as a conclusion here, we use some with plural nouns, like we have here, with countable and uncountable nouns. So number 6, I don't have any books. I don't have any bread. Do you have any chairs? Have you got any milk? What do you notice here? Okay, in number 6 here, I don't have any books. Number 7, I don't have any bread. So what's the meaning of these sentences? They are in the negative forms. Okay, so I don't have any books means I don't have anything at all. I have zero number of books, nothing. The same thing here. I don't have any bread. But do you notice again? So we use any with negative sentences with countable and uncountable nouns. It's clear. So, do you have any chairs? Have you got any milk? So here we use any with interrogative forms. When we say interrogative, it means questions. You ask questions using any. So here we use any with countable nouns in the plural form, or we use it with uncountable nouns. Okay? So, as a conclusion here, we use any with the plural forms. Look here, like books, like chairs. We use it with negative and interrogative sentences. Here we have negative and here interrogative. And we use it with countable nouns like here. Countable nouns, books, chairs are countable nouns. And uncountable nouns also, right? Like bread, like milk. Is clear? Now let's practice a lot of, many, much. We are going through these sentences to use the uses of these words. Jess gave me a lot of flowers. We eat a lot of food. What do you notice here? A lot of means a big quantity. So we use a lot of with plural forms, okay? So we use it with plural forms in order to express plurality, alright? So we use it with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. I don't have many exercises to do. How many pets have you got? So here, many, the same thing. It means a big quantity, like a lot of, many, much. They have the same meaning. The meaning means big quantity. Okay? So I don't have many exercises to do. How many pets have you got? So these sentences are used in order to express quantity, big quantity. Here we use many with negative and interrogative sentences, and used only with countable nouns. Look here, exercises, it is a countable noun. Same thing here, pets. Pets is a countable noun. We don't have much time to waste. How much salt do you need? So here we use much in order to express a quantity. It is a big quantity. But we use it only with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns in the negative or interrogative forms. Is it clear? Okay, thank you for your attention and goodbye.